Yes, welcome back. My name is Nyesiga Naboth, aka NABO UG256. So today we are going to learn how to create an Admob account and start making money from our apps. So as you can see on my screen, go onto your search browser and type what we call Admob. Admob. So then click on the first link, which has this Google Admob trademark. We are going to create an Admob account and we start making money from our own apps. And I think in the last video I taught you how to make apps without coding, so I think you watched that video. So stick with me towards the end, until the end, so that you can really learn how to create an Admob account. As you can see, it is saying earn more revenue with your apps. You work hard on your app. Admob makes earning revenue easy within app ads, actionable insights, and powerful, easy-to-use tools that grow your app business. So as you can see, this is the real only website for Admob, and saying Admob for every app, everywhere, every size, every category. So Admob is the best, and that's why I recommend it. Every app developer should be using Admob to generate income using ads in your apps. As you can see, 81% of the Android top 1000 use Admob. 97% of the ad age 100 world largest buyer advertisers buy ads on Admob. 1 million plus Google advertisers are on Admob, and 1 million plus apps use Admob. So click here on sign up. It will take you to a new page. Let's wait for it to load. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and open the notification button in order for you not to miss any new video that I'll be uploading, because I'll make a series of this real content. I'll make a series of this content, like from like episode 1 up to like 30 episodes. But don't worry, in the 10 episodes you are already making money, so the other remaining episodes, it's just experiencing what to do. So I think the network is down. Let's reload. So back, as you can see, it's saying verify that it's you, Big Boys Africa at gmail.com. To help keep your account secure, Google needs to verify it's you. Please sign in and continue. You have to click next, because I had signed in into my account, so I have to click next. So If you have not signed in, just have to put your email and password and then click on next. Yeah, click on next and let's move. It's loading. You have to put the password. I'm just forgetting my password, but I'll have to get it. So just be patient with me. We shall continue the next part. As of now, just continue, kick into your account, then enter to the next parts and you are good to go. Ndawa zanaleta kahalia. Acha lecho. Mcharo talio student. Hizo ni Ethereum. Hizo ni zishona. Hizo ni zizi